Okay, so I want to drain the oil from the machine, but you need to show what I'm losing inside this machine. This is where I'm losing the thing. So this screw inside here. This is the mouth of the screw point. I don't even know how this thing changes color. The oil was like white. You saw how it was in that container? Now it's yellow. Goldish yellow.
What do you mean goldish yellow?
That's it to Nigerian market. When you're not quite sure, just add dish. Goldish yellow.
I think it's a women thing. We are just like differentiating colors unnecessarily.
Yeah, brownish blue.
Cockroach brown.
So I'm scraping all the oil from the pan. I don't know if it's called pan, but it looks like a pan. This boom boom. So this is where I remove the screw from. This is the screw first before I continue this talk. This is where I remove the screw from Sha. It's that here. But now I can't find the screw, so we'll find later. So if you look inside the machine here, it says high and low. So that's the gauge. So if your oil is here, you know that of course it's low. If it's here, then it's high. It's sufficient, not high. It's sufficient. It was here just now, no? It's probably plain invisible. Sit there. So I'm just going to close it back. Screw it back. Okay, so we've moved the machine and now I am pouring the oil back inside. It can't be like the oil that I haven't had before was too much because we're already at the high place. Okay, I think I'll just stop here. Yes, so that's it. So now I need to put this inside here. So how I would normally do that is to raise the head of the machine like this. And then you put it in here. Then you slowly drop the machine. Okay, that wasn't slow, but you drop it basically.